In this video, we'll go over Shentu. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Shentu? Shentu Chain, a security-first, delegated proof-of-stake blockchain for trustworthy execution of mission-critical applications, including DeFi, NFTs, and autonomous vehicles. Shentu Chain prioritizes cross-chain compatibility, built as a Cosmos hub with full EVM and Hyperledger Burrow compatibility, as well as compatibility with EWASM and Ant Financial's on-chain. Across protocols, blockchain projects can receive security insights with the Security Oracle, which provides real-time guards of on-chain transactions, identifying and flagging a wide range of malicious vulnerabilities before they occur. Depending on the level of the security score, audited blockchain projects of any protocol may be eligible for a Shentu Shield membership, which is a flexible, decentralized reimbursement system for any crypto asset that is irretrievably lost or stolen due to security issues. Shentu Shield memberships are open to all community members of these eligible blockchain projects, providing a safety net to holders of crypto assets in case anything unexpected happens. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The Security Oracle is formed by a decentralized network of operators that use industry-leading security technologies to evaluate the reliability of mission-critical smart contracts, such as those used in DeFi. In exchange for these real-time, updatable scores, these operators receive CTK rewards. The Security Oracle is interoperable with any protocol, allowing their users to make educated decisions before interacting with smart contracts. Smart contracts integrated with the Security Oracle may flag and prevent malicious transactions from occurring, preventing situations of crypto asset loss. More information available here. Shentu Shield is a decentralized membership system to enable reimbursements of lost or stolen cryptocurrency from any protocol. Reimbursement decisions are fully made at the discretion of the members of Shentu Shield, who may be blockchain projects or individual community supporters. Members may participate by contributing their own collateral as collateral providers, purchasing protection for their crypto as shield purchasers, or both. Collateral providers earn staking rewards on their staked CTK, while also earning a share of the fees contributed by shield purchasers. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $3 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.